Hello friends, welcome to my channel Total Tech, all about gadgets and technology. Today I am going to show you how to clean and maintain the Xiaomi Roborock S50. So let's not wait anymore, let's jump into the cleaning and maintenance part of the Robo. It has been about a year now that I've purchased this product and I've been using this since then. This is an excellent Robo vacuum cleaner in this price range anybody can get. There is absolutely no other comparison with any other product that you can do with this. Yeah, though there are a wide range of Robo vacuum cleaners available out there. So to be specific, this is doing a really fantastic job at my place. So I really depend on this every day for the cleaning process. It actually vacuums the floor, it actually vacuums the carpet, and the way it actually vacuums the carpet is excellent. And most of the dust is definitely removed out of the floor, is sucked into the machine and then collected into the bin. So where you can actually remove the bin very easily and then clear the dust out of it. And this proves to be a really good helper at your place anytime. So for all the features that it has, the enhanced features, like you can actually operate this Robo even while you're not at home from your mobile. You can actually schedule the cleanups at a specific point in time of a day. And you can actually see the Robo virtually moving across your home after it maps the whole area of the floor. I'm very much impressed with this product.
Watch this video till the end to find the details of cleaning and maintenance.
So here you'll find the dustbin. You'll just have to press this and pull it out. So there you get a voice from the Robo saying that the dustbin has been removed. So yeah, like I showed you before, this here is the dust collected. This is almost after a week of cleaning, this much has been collected. So I usually do it every week. Yeah, definitely a weekly once cleaning of the dustbin and maintaining the Robo is a must. If you basically want the Robo to run for a longer period, you will have to maintain it periodically, at least weekly once, because I ensure the cleaning of my house using the Robo is done at least once a day. So in that case, we must ensure we are cleaning or maintaining the Robo at least once a week, so the durability of the product increases. As you ignore the maintenance part, so it will basically not work well for a longer period. Yeah, like I showed you, this is the dustbin and then you have to open it here for clearing it up. And this here is the Hepa filter that you can see. Basically, now this is not a Hepa filter that I've got it with the Roborock. So the one that I actually received with Roborock, it has been damaged after a longer period of usage, and then I had to order another Hepa filter for the regular maintenance. So yeah, I've ordered this from AliExpress. Now this Hepa filter that I've ordered from AliExpress is a washable one. So I made sure I've ordered a washable Hepa filter from AliExpress.
Are you happy?
Am I happy?
So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, let's just remove the dust now. So I'm basically trying to remove the dust and place the dust here and show it to you. So you can see how much dust has been collected here. You'll just have to tap a little for the entire stuff to come out. There you can see the dust collector for almost a week of usage, and the usage is once in a day. So that's the amount of dust collector. You'll just have to place your fingers inside here and then just push it slightly, so it just comes out like this. So there you go. That's the HEPA filter. It is, as you can see, you can find a lot of dust there. Now this will have to be cleaned, washed under the tap, and then let it dry before you actually place it back into the dustbin. Now, if there are any remains left out within the bin, you can use the brush that has been provided along with the robo. So it's basically inside the robo. You can see it here. So you can see the brush here. That's the one. Yeah. So that's the brush. And you can basically clean it with the brush. So yeah, just make sure there's nothing remaining inside. Else that becomes a problem again. Yeah, because the robo has this periodical maintenance system, and it basically identifies if there is even small amount of dust that has been accumulated inside the bin. It will prompt you, stating that you will have to change the bin or clean the bin on a periodical basis. So the Roborock will also alert you regarding the maintenance. That's the best part of it that I mostly like. Yeah, and apart from that, if you leave any dust inside the bin over a period, the robo itself will tell you that you will have to purchase a new dustbin, as it cannot run with this item anymore. So that's a particular reason that you will have to maintain it really good and really well. The default HEPA filter that I was actually talking about, you need to do a lot of cleaning stuff. You will have to, there's a lot of procedure involved. So since you are provided with this brush, you will just have to very carefully, without damaging the paper filter here. In fact, this is a paper filter. So you will just have to bring the dust out, pull the dust out from here by just brushing it a little here. That way. I'm just showing it to you because this is not the default or the one provided with Roborock. So you'll understand. If there are any new users out there who are still using the actual one provided, the actual HEPA filter provided along with it, you will just have to brush it off, so the fine bits of dust inside the HEPA filter, stuck inside the HEPA filter, would come out on the both sides here. So in this particular process of removing dust with the brush here, you are kind of damaging the filter itself, if you would understand, because this is a very delicate piece of paper, the material which it is made with, and in the process of brushing and popping out the dust, you're kind of damaging it. Moreover, you can see the dust here. So it contains a lot of hair, dust particles, dust, probably some leaves around from the plants that I have at home, and very few particles of dust and chocolate paper. Yeah, a weekdays of dust, guys. That much is the one that's collected here. So I'm just washing the HEPA filter here under the water. It's very simple and easy. Directly put it under water and then clean it out. So that's it. Just wash it underwater and then let it dry before you place it inside the bin. Just open this up. So that's it. It's pretty simple. So here are the 3 items that were cleaned and washed. The brush, HEPA filter, which is completely clean now after the wash, and the bin itself, the dustbin, which is now looking completely dust free and very clean. So just make sure things are pretty clean after the wash. This will help for the longevity of the product. Let's just install these products back into the Robo. Let's just put the HEPA filter back into the bin. Gently press it over here in this direction here, and then you will hear a click sound, and then that's how you know it's actually fixed in place. So do you hear that click sound? It's right in place now. So let's just close this bin completely.
Dustbin installed.
So do you hear the sound now from the Robo? So it just said the dustbin got installed. So that's the confirmation, guys, that you get. And then let's just put the brush also back in. And that's about it, guys. That's the procedure. I request each and everyone to basically clean and maintain the brush and the dustbin and the HEPA filter on a regular basis. So you can do it twice a week, or you can just do it once in a week. And if the usage is like twice a day, I believe you should be doing it at least twice a week. So you are basically ensuring that your product is well maintained, and then it is not running into any major maintenance issues at a later point. So this is what I can tell you about the cleaning part of the dustbin, and then just the maintenance part of it.
I found this to be a great product after using it for a year, and there were no major issues with this except for the laser sensor issue. I have already created a video on resolving laser sensor issue, and the link shown above will take you there. I have also provided a link in the description on the same.
Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Please leave your comments down there. Please let me know if there is anything that can be improved. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will receive any updates or any new videos that I am coming up with.